एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे चैनल पर। फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स एंड फॉर फ्री प्रीमियम अकाउंट्स एंड एप्स, free Steam games and much more exclusive tips and tricks, join us on Discord and the link to that will be in the description below. Today we are gonna show you how you can get 5 TB cloud storage for free. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now all you have to do is go to this link, that is trainbit.com, and don't worry, it will be in our description below. And once you reach on the link, you'll see this when you scroll down: upload via URL, via email, free upload, free premium account, download stats, and direct download. And on the very top you'll see 500 GB free space, so you will just click on that, and then all you have to do is submit your name and your full name, your last name. We are obviously going for Pbunified, your email and your password, whatever you want. Your country, we can't find it anywhere. Where is it? There it is. And click on I agree and I'm not a robot, and create your TrainBit account. Now your account is created, and as you can see, you can upload your files right here. There is an upload box. As you can see, I'll just click on it. You can upload from your computer or you can upload from the web. You can create a folder, upload from computer. You can delete your file from trash, open upload box. These are the options for my files, and this is my account. You can see 0 of 500 GB, that is 5 TB. I am a standard user, and you can upgrade your account as well. It is a secure online backup storage and collaboration service that lets you store your files like images, documents, music, and share them with other people as well. And you really don't have to worry about losing your important data as well. And obviously these are the ways how you can upload your data here. You can upload via URL or via email, or you can go for fast upload, that is upload your file up to 2 GB and share them with other people to download them directly. If you go through the whole website, you'll see a number of features for that as well. It is a really good way to store and keep your data safe and share them with anyone, anywhere you want, and delete them whenever you want as well. We will be wrapping up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video, and comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make next. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated.
Do you love me?